Hi everyone! Today, we're going to be drawing something super cute, bunny rabbit holding a yummy carrot. First, let's draw the shape of bunny head. Do you love draw and paint? His chubby cheeks like a popcorn. Try to draw with me. This is so fun. Give your bunny to teeth just under the upper lip. The eyes are quite easy to do an outer semicircular curve. From the top of the cheek to the top of the nose. Look, the bunny feel happy being drawn. To enhance the eyes, we fill them with black color. This is so cute. Let's draw two long floppy ears. Wow, complete the bunny smiley face. The bunny belly is getting rounder and rounder. Now comes the bunny cotton candy tail. Rabbit love carrots so much. Now comes the yummy part, the carrot. What's about coloring in it? Let's start. See you next video. Happy drawing!